how this one-click system auto-generates $50-100 Amazon gift card codes every single hour. We've gotten $23,255.30 in free Amazon gift card codes in 2022. A brand new system for 2022. Easy, just one click to activate AzCash code. Works in any country that has Amazon. We're getting free electronics, shoes, clothes and damp furniture. 365-day money-back guarantee. If you don't succeed, we'll give you an $250 Amazon gift card. Get AzCash code for the lowest price. Access for $297 per month, just $19 one time. Click here for instant access. Yes, I want AzCash code now. We've been featured on. Yup, it's real. AzCash code has generated $23,255.30 in Amazon gift cards in 2022 alone. Hey, check this out. Look at the image below. Yup, you're looking at over $23,255.30 worth of Amazon gift cards. It allows us to buy electronics, clothes, food, furniture. Unless you're living under a rock. You know that Amazon has everything. If you can think of it. Amazon has it. And I didn't have to pay anything. For these Amazon gift cards. Nothing. Nada. Zilch. That's because they all came from the AzCash code system. So there's no need to deal with any expenses. No paying for traffic. No paying for websites. No paying for domains. Haven't you had enough of those headaches already? This is different from everything else out there. And it will work for you. Don't want Amazon gift cards? Perhaps you want cold hard cash instead? No problem. We can also get paid directly to our bank accounts. So if you don't need to buy anything from Amazon, there's no need to worry about it. Here's how it works. We're just 3 steps away from receiving $50-100 Amazon gift cards. Step #1. Access. Access AzCash code online on your computer or mobile phone. Works on any device. Step #2. Activate. Turn on one-click customer sending technology. Amazon pays us for sending them new customers. Step number 3. Redeem. We're sent $50-100 gift cards hourly. Simply redeem the codes and damp. That's all. The gift cards never stop coming in. Get AzCash code for the lowest price. Access for $297 per month, just $19 one time. Click here for instant access. Yes, I want AzCash code now. We've been featured on. These $50 - $100 gift card codes never stop coming on inch. Check out the results of our AzCash code beta testers. Just redeem these codes inside your Amazon account. And you're all set. Once we've turned on the AzCash code system, it will begin auto-generating Amazon gift card codes, often in the amount of $50-100. All we have to do is copy and paste, hit redeem. And the funds will be credited to our accounts. After that, the fun begins. We can go shopping. Look at all the 100% free stuff we're getting from Amazon. All thanks to AzCash code. PlayStation 5, 2021 iMac, Xbox, Surface laptop, Bose headphones, Oculus Quest. Get AzCash code for the lowest price. Access for $297 per month, just $19 one time. Click here for instant access. Yes, I want AzCash code now and we've been featured on. Dear friend, I want you to take a close look at the photo on the left. That's me holding my handy-dandy MacBook Pro. On Amazon, you'll see it's selling for $2,694. Quite expensive, am I right? It's certainly not cheap. You know what's crazier than the price though? I didn't pay a single red cent for this MacBook. Yes, you heard that right. I was able to get this MacBook worth over $2,000 for 100% free. Nothing, nada, 90. I didn't pay anything for it. And in the next 30 seconds, you're going to see exactly how I pulled this off, along with how you can do the same. All I ask is for you to listen closely to every single word on this page. Hi, my name is Wesley Virgin. Yes, that guy you might have heard of on Forbes, Inc. magazine, or HuffPost. And I am no stranger when it comes to making money online. I've helped 100,000 single quote as of people around the world do it. And it would be an understatement to say that I've made a fortune. Now, I could be bragging about my sports cars, multiple penthouses, luxury vacations. But does that help you out? Of course not. Honestly, words can't describe how pissed off I am right now. Because there's so many bullshit products being released, making wild claims like, push one button to make a gajillion dollars, earn millions of dollars with zero work, make money every time you sit on the toilet. Okay, perhaps the last one was a stretch, but you get my point. We can all agree on one thing. The internet is overflowing with crappy products. And although I don't like to swear, I'm f***ing sick of it. Sadly, 99.9% of methods for earning online are a hot pile of horse poo. They're not going to get you anywhere. And deep down, you know this well yourself. How many products have you bought? Have they ever worked out like they promised? Of course they haven't. All they do is empty your pocket. I can't stand seeing hardworking folks like you getting scammed. Frankly, I'm fed up. More than pissed off. Because there are so many honest people like you getting ripped off. And that's why I've decided to step in and do something about it. Instead of wasting your time, I'm going to show you a real, fail-proof method. You're one lucky duck for coming to this page. Because what you're about to see is different from everything else out there. It's light years ahead of things like affiliate marketing, solo ads, high-ticket sales, commerce, cryptocurrency. I promise, this is something you've never seen before. And it will work for you. Even if nothing else has. It's finally here. The world's first system that gets us $50-100 Amazon gift card codes. This is not another one of those normal methods for earning online. And it definitely won't make you rich. But it is a system that's getting us $50-100 Amazon gift card codes every single hour for 100% free. Yes, that's right, we don't have to pay a single penny.